Gather round, everybody. It's email time. Hey, Strongbad. I have a friend who is trying hard to be an independent filmmaker. The problem is, his films suck. How do I tell him he's wasting his life? Signed, Faf Fan number 23. I got good news for you, number 23. You're not alone. We've all got no-talent friends who refuse to quit chasing their dreams. That's why I've come up with my own line of greeting cards for just such occasions. I've got ones for independent filmmakers.
On this special day, I thought I'd let you know how terrible your films are.
People in terrible bands.
I'm sick of wasting my Fridays seeing your crappy band.
Web cartoonists.
Thinking of you and how terrible your stupid Star Wars spoofs are.
And burgeoning stand-up comedians.
Hey, friend, your stand-up comedy is unbearable.
I mean, it's not like these people don't know they suck. Sometimes they just need a cute, friendly reminder. Who knows? This could be the final straw that makes them give up and get some terrible office job instead. Or at the very least, go to grad school. You know, like for an MBA. Or maybe try out for the NBA. I don't know. See you later, 23.